All right, guys, I'm gonna share with you guys a product that I've been using over 10 years now. This is something that we sell here in the shop for race car enthusiasts and track day enthusiasts and stuff like that. It has multiple different purposes, but essentially this right here from Liquid Performance, called Liquid Performance RDX, this gets all of those annoying tire rubber marks off of the side of your car. It also gets adhesive from vinyl wrap and other stuff, and it'll even get ink out of things. We've got the lifted Miata here. We were getting all of the old decals and stuff off of it. You got to remember, this stuff was baked in the Florida sun. This is a product where you spray on the affected area and just let it set. If this is, I mean, this is an old vinyl sticker that we struggled even just to get the vinyl off. In order to get this off, you just spray it, let it sit. We have a couple of the little plastic razor blades. Look how easy it gets the stuff off. This is baked in the Florida sun for multiple years. When we were pulling the vinyl off, I'm doing this very lightly so we don't scratch the paint, but honestly on this car it doesn't really matter because it's gonna get off-roaded. Just spray it on there and look how easy all of that vinyl glue comes off. I go ahead and normally when I have a job or a sticker piece of vinyl this bad, I go ahead and get all the bulky stuff off. As you can tell, that right there is gonna need a second coat. If you're comfortable with, you know, getting a quick razor blade or like this plastic style razor blade on your paint, no big deal. If you do this with a rag or your fingernail, it comes off too. Just that easy. It gets all of the extra glue, vinyl glue off of there. Wipe it off. As you can tell, a lot of it's gonna, ooh. Jesus, it's like snot. Wipe that off, go over it a second time. That stuff comes right off. It's one of my favorite products from Liquid Performance, mainly because I've been doing motorsports for the last 20 plus years now. And this is the best product I've found that gets all of the glue and the vinyl and the rubber marks off of the car. We've got a Porsche over there that I'll show you guys. The tire marks have been on the car for about 2 weeks now. And I'll show you guys how easy the tire marks come right off. And then in that application, you just spray it on a rag, wipe it down. This does leave a fairly slick residue. Like once it's all clean, it leaves a fairly slick residue on the car. All you have to do is just take a general all-purpose cleaner and the residue comes right off. I love this product. It's about $14 a can. This isn't something that you spray all over the car. You only spray on the affected areas and wipe it off with a rag. So this is available on our website. Again, I've been using this stuff for well over 10 years. Liquid Performance, I think this is their best product for us race car drivers and mechanics. Takes the stuff off. I know some people like the SD20, and there's a couple other off-the-shelf stuff, but it doesn't work as good as this. So check out our website if you want some, and please share this with all of your race car and track day friends. This is gonna greatly help get all of the tire marks off their car, and it's also safe for glass, plexiglass, plastic, all of that stuff. So if you need any, hit up our website. Thanks, guys.